Hi creators, I have a 4x12, very small canvas, and I have leftover paints here. It's got a cute orange, got a nice pretty blue, a very light blue, yellow, black, and white. But I want it to be kind of springy and summery, so I don't know if I'm going to put any black in it or not, and I think I might just kind of blow it up like that. Let me get my white down. I think I have enough for this little board. I hope I do. Probably just barely enough, huh? Looks like just barely enough. A little bubble there. Let's just see. It's nice and thin. I mix my paints with flortrol and with water. And might be a little divot in this canvas. It really kind of wants to puddle up in the center there. I don't know. We'll see. Let's just see how it goes, okay? All right. Question is always, what do I put down first? Kind of want that to be a little more even, you know? It's kind of funky all over the place. Look at that. Oh, look at them drips. Okay. Let's just get rid of those strips right now. Let's just solve that problem. Okay. Whew. All right. Pop the bubbles. Let's pop them little bubbles like that. Okay. There we go. I'm gonna plug in my blow dryer while I got the chance. While I'm over here. Ready? All right. Just gonna do something really quick and easy and fun. We are having a little bit of a storm tonight. But we've had really nice weather, but oh my gosh, I live in Oregon and it rained for the longest time. The longest of times. I don't want this blue to take over. I just want a little bit of it. Okay, I don't want it taking over my canvas. And I don't have a lot of yellow. Let's see how much I do have. A little bit thick. My yellow's a little thick. I have a little bit of a hard time moving about. We shall see. All right. Let's see what this does, you guys. Let's just have a little fun. So, it's nice to use up your leftover paint sometimes. A little bit of, it's not really super covered right there. Okay, want it to flow. I'll put it on low and we'll see if low works. And what happened to its little cover? What happened to its little cover? It has a no cover. I must find it. When my cat's playing with it, how did it come off? It doesn't have its little attachment on it. Where is the attachment? Oh, Lord have mercy. Oh, here it is. I found it. I found it. I found it. Okay. I need my attachment. I do. Okay, I'm gonna go on high. It's just a little tiny blow dryer. And push out of the way. Hi. Don't know if I like all that white there. Okay, let's give it a whirl. Let's try it again. Okay, that simple. That's called a Dutch pour when you do it with a blow dryer. Okay, so of course I want it to be, and I'm not sure how you guys are looking at it, so it's possible that you guys just watched it get filmed upside down. So I'm going to turn it this way just in case that's the case. Ooh, boop, doesn't seem even right there. So we could stretch it if we want to, but I'm happy with how it looks, just like this. All right, instead of bringing you down, I'm just gonna bring this up. Pretty colors, huh? Mixed together. Nice little bit of color there. So I'm really liking that. Whoops, I'm gonna have to stick a popsicle stick under there. Keep that even right there. There we go. Let's solve that. And let's just give it a little torch and then we'll let it dry and then we'll film it after it dries and show you guys how it turned out. Boom. There we go. Pretty, huh? I'll take you down after it dries and show you close up. All right. Thanks for watching. Peace. Okay, here it is dry. Let's take it in. And we'll just kind of slowly go down the line here. there it is. Cute. I'll put some gloss on it or some resin on it, and it will really bring out the shine, and it's really nice. Let me know what you think in the comments. So please hit that like button and subscribe if you're not subscribed. It's free, doesn't cost you a thing, and then you can get notified whenever I post. All right, there we go. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day.